Right, this is question number 51 on stoichiometry. How many moles of mercury 2 oxide is needed to produce 120 grams of oxygen in the equation? And that's the equation. Okay, so if we want to figure out how many moles of HGO is needed to produce 120 grams of oxygen, let me rewrite this down here. So we want to get 120 grams of oxygen, right? Can we convert that to moles real quick? We'll divide it by 32 because 32 is the molar mass of oxygen. How did I get that? O is 16 here, that's the oxygen atom. So O2 would be 2 times 16, that's 32. That's how this was gotten. Now this mass divided by this molar mass should give us the moles of oxygen that we want to produce. So how many moles of the HGO should do that for us? We can see that the relationship here is a 2 to 1. This is 2. This is 1. If 2 of this produced 1 of this, it just means that this number of moles should produce a particular amount in moles of HGO. And that will be the whole of that in moles multiplied by 2 divided by 1. Okay, so our x becomes this whole stuff multiplied by 2 divided by 1. Calculator, what answer will be 7.5 moles of HGO. And that, my people, is the answer to this. So yeah, tell me, what are the things that we did not need to use? We did not need to use this 200 here. We don't need it. It was just given there for fancy. Our answer is 7.5 moles. Let me know what you think about this question. And I'll see you on 52. Okay? Enjoy.